Hi guys, welcome to the daily prediction. We are going to talk about how the energy of 12th of November is going to be for you and for us, and how 12th of November will be for us. I hope you've already watched the video of 11th of November, and 11th November, yes, is an important day. And if you don't see much happening in your life, like a random situations completely changing or 360-degree change, if you don't see that in your life on 11th of November, don't get disheartened, because when these energies change, they take time to actually put that change across. So slowly and gradually you will experience changes. Looking at the cards for 12th of November 2021, first card that I have is Four of Cups. Now this deck, Four of Cups, is a very, very different card here, because it's a Celtic tarot, and the Four of Cups is a very different card here, because usually you will see the cup on the horizon. This person is not aware of the cup, but here the cup is in his hand, the three cups are right in front of him. So which means that whatever you deserve, whatever you want, whatever you know, that is already in your hand. You need to feel it, you need to be with it. And if you see, this person is all into the roots of the tree. So tree has actually kept that person into it, or actually caught hold of this person completely. So that means this person is completely grounded. This person is completely one with the nature, with the divine, with the mother earth, with the energies. And if you can see a lot of water behind, and you can see waterfalls also. So there is a lot of water energy, which means there is an energy of intuition, there is an energy of flow, there is an energy of nature and things happening. And if you see the tree roots, you usually see the roots of the tree underneath the ground, but here you can see the roots of the tree on the ground. So things coming to ground, things coming in front. Now also, if you see, this person is actually captured by the roots, but you can see the feet very, very clearly, one foot very, very clearly. That means that the person can take the steps and get up when he needs to. Now go with the flow of your intuition. Listen to your intuition very carefully. Go with the flow of your intuition. Whatever you want, Pihu, dhire beta, whatever you want, just have that thought very, very close to your heart. It feels like a card of manifestation to me. So whatever you want to manifest, you can, but you will need to keep yourself completely grounded. The more grounded you are, the better it is. And you're going to see some patterns coming out of the ground for you. You're going to see some things coming out of the ground for you, and you're going to experience some things in a completely different way. Now the second card I have here is Lovers, and Lovers card, this is a very different Lovers card. Lovers card is usually of partnership. It's usually of duality, it's usually of choices. But if you see here, there is snow covered trees that are there, which means, and there is a snowfall that is happening, which means that something is under the surface which you are not aware of as of now. If you see, there are three people here. That does not happen in Lovers card usually, because there is an angel and there are two people, but there are three people here. Now this one person who's wearing white and looks very smooth and soothing and soulful, she has a sword in her hand. And the one who's wearing red, who looks very, very passionate, or anger energy or strong energy, she's actually walking away. And this person who's actually holding on to the one who has the sword, he's looking at somewhere else. He's not even looking at her. She's looking at him. He's looking somewhere else. Now with this card, somebody who looks very innocent to you might not be innocent, might have something that can harm you. And somebody who's looking not very innocent to you might be actually innocent. You need to pay close attention to your surroundings. You need to pay close attention to your surroundings. You need to relook at what you're looking at, and you have to pay attention to where you are, because it feels like your mind is somewhere else, your heart is somewhere else, your eyes are somewhere else, and then you're not aware of what is happening in your surroundings. So be a little aware of what is happening in your surrounding, and awareness is going to be very important. And if you have to make a choice, make a choice from your heart, from your soul, from your intuition, and be aware of what is around you. Somebody who might look harmless might not be harmless. Next card I have is Seven of Wands. Now 6 plus 4 is 10, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is Seven of Wands card, and if you see, there is a portal that is opening up here, and the portal is actually spreading a lot of pink energy, and that pink energy is actually energizing her wands that she has. And there are some dwarfs who are bats or the devil energy. They are actually trying to pull her or torture her or kind of harm her or stop her from doing whatever she's doing, and she's caught hold of one, and the two are right here. Their wands that they have are not ignite. They are not into the energy, but hers are into the energy. So the new stand your ground, new portal has opened up, and you will see all the energy. You will have all the energy to deal with everything that has been bothering you or that has been torturing you. There might be people around you who are not being truthful. There might be people around you that you are having a struggle with. There might be people around you, or situations around you, or things around you that you are putting up a struggle with. And the cards are saying that be aware of your surrounding, but at the same time stand your ground, because you are going to see your intuition paying you off, or your energies paying you off. The next card set I have is Eight of Pentacles. You see, this is a very different Eight of Pentacles. There are pentacles, there are pentacles around that he's created. So he's creating some kind of paint work or artwork. This dwarf is creating some kind of artwork. And if you see here, there is a rabbit here. Rabbit is the sign of multiplication, rabbit the sign of fast movement. There is an owl here. Owl is the sign of wisdom. There is a fox here, sign of cleverness. There is a deer here, sign of being fast or running very fast. There's a little cub here, sign of strength and sign of innocence. Now this card basically says that use all the abilities that you have. You have to use your inner wisdom, you have to use your innocence, you have to be clever, and you have to be fast, and you have to be multiplying your work or multiplying your thoughts in a very, very smooth and fast way in order to make the progress. And there is more work coming your way, but yes, you need to be aware of your surrounding, and you need to keep on working, keep on moving forward, but be clever at this point in time. All the good traits will be needed to put together, and when you put them together, you see the card of Magician. And if you see Magician here, it is not like a normal magician. He's actually holding on to the wand, and the wand does not have fire on it, but it has actually a radium kind of a stone on it, which is actually giving the light in the darkness. And you can see a reindeer here, or a stag here, which is an energy of strength. And you can see rest of the things on the ground, like the sword, the pentacle, the cup, but he has wand in his hand, which is actually illuminated. And this is the energy which talks about kind of combining the past experience in with the future, combining the technology with the basic things, because he seems to be living in the jungle. He seems to be living in this this whole situation from a long time now. You can see his face, how it is. But at the same time, he knows how to combine the energies. So you will be resourceful, you will see resources, and you will see the results also coming from the things that you are working upon. Three of Wands, very different Three of Wands. Yet again, you can see a big deer here, and feels like it is all light. This person is waving the hand to the deer here. There are two dogs, and there are all the different signs which are actually energized. And you can see the trees that are cut here. They have grown faces on them. You can see three of them. So the energies where the path that you are meant to walk upon is going to be very, very clear. You're going to see the results. You're going to see the energies working for you. You're going to see some things becoming very, very visible. You need to be loyal. You need to be honest with your efforts, and you need to keep moving forward. And some things that have happened or that were there in the past are going to show their real self or the guidance to you. So I do feel ancestor guidance is also there. Now this is the energy of in journal, right? So this is 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 8, 9, or this together can become 12 and 3. So the energy is very, very powerful. Energy is very, very beautiful, and you will just be very clear of what you are asking for, what you are saying, who you are looking at, who you are believing in. Stand your ground, work very, very carefully, use all your traits, the cleverness, the wisdom, the fastness, all your traits together, and the innocence, and you will see some great results coming your way, and you will see some results being visible. Now this is your life, but in general, whatever circumstances that are happening, I do feel that there is some female that everybody is looking at as innocent. She's not going to be innocent. Something is going to be proved about her. The agencies or people need to be very, very careful, because I do feel that somebody will try to harm certain soldiers or certain agencies or people. There could be some harm that might be coming to them, though they will not be completely successful, but they will try to pull and push. Somebody who's looking very innocent might create trouble in a certain way. So need to be careful is definitely there. And I do feel that something is going to come out, because we are going to see some visible results, some information, some kind of a energy, some kind of a result is going to come out. And I do feel that there could be in some kind of combination of things that we're doing in past, things that come from our history or mythology, and something that we are going to do in future. So some kind of technology combination is going to be there. We are going to see some technology combination happening. Now the next card that I have that I took out is from Fairy Oracles of Fairies. It says wish wisely. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire and take practical steps towards making your dream come true. So it is very important for you to wish wisely. Whatever you wish for, it might just start happening in your life. And that is why you need to choose your words very, very carefully. You need to choose your wishes very, very carefully. You need to choose your whatever you want to say very, very carefully, and be very careful of your surroundings. And also practical work is needed. So if you wish for something, you will have to start doing the practical work for it as well to see the results, and you will start seeing the results. Today on 12th, be into that energy that don't say any words which are negative. Like we do say things like I wish this happens to me, I wish this person this happens to this person, or we do say that person and that kind of words. And when we don't use the word wish, still we say that nothing happens for me, or nothing is for good, or things like that. Don't say anything that you don't want to create in your life or really happen in your life. The next card that I have is action. Now you see there is a message that has come. There is a bird here. There's a message that has come, and that message has actually ignited some action. So there is going to be some kind of a message, some kind of communication, some kind of a thing that is going to happen that will help you move forward in life and take some action. And if you see, the white horse is right running in the front, black horse is behind. So your positive energies are going to help you move forward with the action. This is card number 11 also. So your strength, and 17, which is star energy. So definitely things coming to light or balance. The next card that I have is Eagle, and it says mastery, and it says you are the spiritual journey. You are on a spiritual journey beyond the sky. Let go of the past and soar. You are guided by the winds of the spirit. Your wisdom inspires the world. So one thing about the eagle, which is very, very great, is eagle can look at the bigger picture, but it does not miss the minute details. And that's something that's coming to my mind when I look at this picture. So the card is saying that you have an energy, you're guided by the spirit, you are going to guide the world, you're going to inspire the world, your wisdom is going to be very important, but at the same time, look at the bigger picture, but don't miss the minute details. So you have to be very careful about everything that is happening in and around your life, because minute details are going to be as important as the bigger picture and the whole situation. So pay a close attention to everything that is happening around you. I'm going to take out an extra message. This is steampunk cards. This is spirit of animals. I think spirit of animals, and this is energy oracle. So let me take out a card from steampunk. What is the additional message that we need to get? Guys, what is the additional message that we need to get? So I do see some card have jump off. I will just check if there is anything else that wants to come. It's 12th November 2021. Okay, so we have a few. So this is the card that I see very, very often when I see the steampunk cards. And this is the card which says patent here. And the person is holding on to the sword. The timer is on. There is a crow. There is a messenger here. There is a technologically driven swords that are kept here. There is a key here. And as soon as the timer is on, or timer is complete, the sword can actually fall on him. And you can see 10 here. And I do feel that there is something that can be related to patents. So if you are trying to patent some kind of technology, that could be there, or in general about somebody's patent that we talk about, something might come out about that, because this is kind of becoming the focus for me today. It did not happen earlier. So something about the patents can come out, something about maybe 10 patents, or somewhere I do feel this is yeah, this is like there could be something with the energy of 11 or 1010 that might come out, because 1010 is also 11. There is a timer, so there is definitely somebody who's going to warn you about something. So be pay very close attention about the warning signs that are around you. Again, I'm saying, pay very close attention around the warning signs that are around you, and be a little more active. So ensure that you are a little more into the active energy, because some kind of harm might be caused to you by somebody who's close to you, or who you completely trust and you're not even looking at. But then ultimately you will know it, you will use your mind, and then resources will flow from there, so things will become better for sure. The next card is Fool. You see, this fool is not jumping, and he has some kind of technology or some kind of a fan in his hand which he wants to test. There is a dog, a small little dog, that is standing here, and he's standing on the roof of the building. So, and there are so many factories kind of a thing that is there. You can see so much of smoke coming out, and you can see a starry night. So Fool card, definitely an energy where something new is about to start, some new action is about to happen, and this could be invoked because of some harm that was supposed to done to somebody, but that person is actually saved in time. And it could also be where you get some energy, and you wake up with that energy of a new thought in the morning, and you know some of your ancestors or guides have given you message in your dream, and you know how to move forward now. Because the next card is Hierophant. Hierophant is the card of guide, it is the card of priest, it is the card of authorities. And if you see, these two kids are actually writing down something. There are keys here. We've been talking about key souls. There are keys here, there are books here. This person has knowledge, and he's actually giving his knowledge or passing on his knowledge to these two children. Now, about children's safety, that is another thing. A key to the knowledge or a key to communication is also going to be open. So do something where you help and share your knowledge with other people, where you actually share your anything. Share a smile also with other people is going to be helpful. But something, I feel there is a guidance that is coming in dream for you, so pay close attention to your dreams. Three of Pentacle, last card, which is where she's actually putting on these three pentacles. There is a design that is complete. There are some pictures in her hand. This person is actually reading a map or a design or a like how to create this particular, reconstruct this particular area or this particular building, and this one is actually literally working upon that. And the hammer is down, which means that whatever work she had to do, she's already done it, she's already completed it, and the project is complete, or the path or the plan is complete. So I do feel that in your life, pay close attention to your dreams. You're going to get some guidance. There is going to be a new beginning. You're going to find some new knowledge, and some kind of project completion is going to happen for you. It could be some kind of completion in terms of your relationships, in terms of your career, in terms of your house renovation or any of that. And in terms of the situations that are happening nowadays, I do feel that somebody might be escaped or somebody might be rescued. And I'm getting this message from last few days that somebody is being rescued, somebody is being worked upon to be rescued, and from there could be the new keys that might come up, the new energy, the new leap that might come up, and you will see some kind of completion happening, or we will see some kind of completion happening, or we will see some kind of a new map or new road opening up, or a new door opening up. So let's hope that happens. And if you like the video, please share it with everyone else, and if possible, do press the like button. And by the way, the number wise, this is 4 and this is 5, which makes it 9, and this is 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. The energy of 3 is again here. The energy of 3 was there also. Energy of 3 is where the divine, the human mind and the soul become together, and they bring in changes. And we have three devs, so we have 3 gods and 3 main goddesses also. So the energy of 3 is very powerful. So let's see some good wish fulfillment happens. And be very careful about your words, be very careful about your thoughts, be very careful about what you say. And yes, some things are going to be visible. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.